Many aspiring English teachers wonder just how tough a TEFL exam can be. At ITTT, we prioritize delivering top-tier teacher training for all aspiring educators. Our approach goes beyond teaching. We offer comprehensive pre- and post-course support. With our assistance, students can confidently prepare for any tests required in their course. In fact, our program boasts an impressive pass rate exceeding 90% in the TEFL industry. While dedication is needed, achieving a pass is entirely feasible with commitment and right preparation. TEFL courses are designed to be comparable to challenging university-level programs. The journey demands your focus and consistent effort to master the materials provided. Worried about online learning? Rest assured, dedicated tutors are available to support you every step. No prior teaching experience? Our courses start from square one and guide you to success.